He was 34, overweight, and a doctor had just told him his heart was in serious trouble. He had no gym membership, no equipment, no time. So he made one simple decision: minus 50 push-ups. Every single day. What happened to his body over the next 90 days was not what anyone expected. And after you watch this video, you'll never look at push-ups the same way again. Welcome back. If you're new here, this channel is dedicated to cutting through fitness myths and giving you science-backed, real-world strategies that actually work. Today, we're breaking down exactly what happens to your body, mentally and physically, when you commit to 50 push-ups every day. We'll go week by week, and trust me, some of what you're about to hear is going to surprise you. Let's get into it. Week 1. The brutal beginning. Back to our guy. Let's call him Marcus. Day 1, Marcus got down and did 50 push-ups. He broke them into 5 sets of 10. His arms were shaking by set 3. His chest was on fire by set 5. He collapsed onto the floor, panting. Sound familiar? Here's what was actually happening inside his body during that first week. Muscle micro tears. Push-ups create tiny tears in your chest, shoulder, and tricep muscle fibers. It sounds bad, but it's actually the trigger for muscle growth. Your body rushes in to repair those tears, and each time it does, the fibers come back slightly stronger. DOM's delayed onset muscle soreness. Around day 2 and 3, Marcus could barely lift his arms above his head. That's soreness. That's inflammation, your immune system at work, repairing the damage. It's uncomfortable, but it's a sign your body is adapting. The nervous system wakes up. Here's the part most people skip. In week 1, your strength gains aren't from muscle. They're neurological. Your brain is literally learning to recruit more muscle fibers efficiently. That's why you might suddenly do 5 more reps on day 6 than you could on day 1. Even though no visible muscle has grown yet, Marcus's body was already changing. A T just couldn't see it yet. Weeks 2 and 3, something shifts. By week 2, Marcus noticed something strange. The push-ups were getting easier. Not easy, but easier. He could hit all 50 reps without stopping. His form was sharper. His breathing was more controlled. What was happening? Muscle hypertrophy begins. Around the 10 to 14 day mark, actual muscle fiber growth starts to become measurable. The pectoral muscles, anterior deltoids, and triceps begin to thicken slightly. Not bodybuilder level gains, but real functional strength. Cardiovascular improvement. Push-ups aren't just a strength exercise. When done consistently, they elevate your heart rate and begin improving cardiovascular endurance. Marcus's resting heart rate dropped by 4 beats per minute in just 2 weeks. That's significant. The mental effect nobody talks about. Here's what the studies don't always capture. Marcus started sleeping better. He had more energy. He felt sharper at work. This wasn't a coincidence. Consistent physical activity triggers dopamine and serotonin release, which directly improve mood, focus, and sleep quality. He hadn't changed his diet, hadn't joined a gym, just 50 push-ups a day. Weeks 4 to 12. The real transformation. By the end of month 3, Marcus had done over 4,500 push-ups. And here's what changed. His chest, shoulders, and arms were visibly more defined. His posture, which used to be hunched from sitting at a desk all day, had corrected itself. Why? Because push-ups strengthen the core, scapular stabilizers, and the muscles that hold your spine upright. His doctor ran a follow-up. His resting heart rate was down. His blood pressure had improved. His inflammatory markers, indicators of chronic disease risk, had decreased. 50 push-ups a day did what months of vague "I should exercise more" never could. What it won't do, be honest here. Now, and this is important, 50 push-ups a day won't give you a six-pack on its own. It won't dramatically reduce body fat unless paired with proper nutrition. And if your goal is to bench press 300 pounds, you'll need progressive overload beyond a fixed number, but as a daily movement habit, as a foundation. as a non-negotiable that costs $0 and takes under 5 minutes. It's one of the most powerful tools available to any human being on Earth. Let's zoom out. Studies on calisthenic exercise confirm that daily bodyweight training increases upper body muscular endurance within 2 weeks, improves cardiovascular markers within 30 days, reduces symptoms of depression and anxiety with consistent practice, enhances posture and core stability over 6 to 8 weeks. And here's the SEO truth that fitness influencers won't tell you. The best exercise is the one you'll actually do. Consistency beats intensity every single time. Marcus isn't a fitness model. He's not an athlete. He's a regular person who made one tiny, consistent decision, and it changed his life. So here's your challenge. Try 50 push-ups a day for just 30 days. Break them up however you need to. Do them in the morning, at lunch, before bed, doesn't matter. Then come back and tell me in the comments what changed for you. If this video helped you, hit that like button. It genuinely helps this channel grow. Subscribe if you want more no-nonsense fitness content every week. And I'll see you in the next one.